just what I'd have to do to ease my troubled mind. To know that I am losing you is more than I can bear. So here's a toast to you, sweetheart, and our old love affair. I picked a glass up in my hands and started with a sip. It tasted sweet just like it did when I last kissed your lips. I had to drown my sorrow till I no longer cared. So here's a toast to you, sweetheart, and our old love affair. The bottle now is empty, and I don't care no more. The glass is now in pieces and laying on the floor. My heart is there beside it, just one last drop it shared.